What's the secret behind the top performing real estate agents? They're not just working harder, they're working smarter with Rockstar Agent. Rockstar Agent is the industry's #1 productivity platform, uniquely tailored to catapult each agent's success. How? By providing a custom training program that's as unique as you are. We begin by assessing your personality, understanding your goals, and gauging your experience. This isn't a one-size-fits-all. It's a bespoke blueprint for your professional journey. Imagine having access to over 400 cutting-edge courses and live weekly classes taught by the creme de la creme of real estate coaches. Connect in our private forum, exchanging strategies with peers and building networks that grow your business. Dive into a treasure trove of over 1,000 customizable templates. Whether it's listings, closings, or marketing, we've got you covered. Your personalized dashboard doesn't just track your progress, it aligns with your ambitions and mirrors your individuality, pushing you towards your targets.
So what I really love about the Rockstar Agent program, for me as a coach, it's plug and play. It's a system that's already built. It's training that's already there, proven system.
I just wanted to share a little bit of my testimony on how Rockstar Agent has changed my life. And I am just so freaking grateful that I closed on a deal last week. Just so grateful. If it wasn't for Rob Tucker, if it wasn't for Elizabeth Riley sponsoring this and letting me be part of the beta, I wouldn't have had the confidence just to go out there and do open house. I'm not going to quit, and I can already see that even just that effort of doing one thing consistently every week has already paid off. Cheers to each and every one of you. If you think that you can't, or you're just striving and you're not seeing results yet, I promise if you just keep trying, that something is going to happen. So don't quit on yourself. You got this.
Rockstar Agent's tailored approach shaped years off of this agent's learning curve. With the templates and live training, this agent is not just meeting her goals, she's exceeding them. Other programs teach real estate. At Rockstar Agent, we engineer your success. Every tool, every course, every piece of advice is part of a calculated equation designed to make you a top performer. Unleash your potential with Rockstar Agent. Join now. Don't just chase success, define it, refine it, and achieve it with Rockstar Agent. Your path to real estate stardom begins here.